Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block or unblock someone on your Nintendo Switch. So if they're being annoying and you don't want to see them online, or maybe you want to go ahead and unblock them because the voice chat isn't working or something like that, or you can't join their game or find them on your friends list, well, let's go to my home screen and then go to Tindy's page. And then select this. And now to find the user, maybe they're under your friends list and you want to go and just simply block them. Well, this is easy. We can go to their name. So let's go to Valor. He's been pissing me off a little bit. Let's go to options. And then we can go to block right here instead of remove friend. We can just completely block them so they don't see us online playing any games, or they can't go to our play activity and see our play activity. So we can block them under there. Otherwise, we can go to add friend. Maybe it was someone we played with. So we can go to search for users you played with right here. So let's go to someone's name and block them. So Cats 101, real big jerk. Let's go to this person's name and then go to block. So let's block them right here. It says please wait. All right. Now, if we want to go ahead and unblock this person after blocking, there is a specific list. So we can go on down now to users settings right here. Scroll on down, and let's continue to go on down. It says friend function. Manage your friend block list right here. So let's go to this list, manage block users list. And I just have one person on here. Select their name. And then you can go to unblock. So maybe they're being nice now. So let's go to unblock. And it says please wait. And now you should be able to voice chat with them, send them a friend request, etc. And you should be good to go. So you probably have to go to add friend and then re-add them with a user code or something like that. And then send them a friend request. And then you should be able to see them under your friends list. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.